आखिरकार सदन में जाकर के हम अपनी जनता की तो बात उठाते। आखिरकार सरकार क्यों नहीं फेस करना चाहती है, और सरकार इसीलिए नहीं फेस करना चाहती है क्योंकि हर मुद्दे पर सरकार असफल हुई है। लेकिन लोकतंत्र के मूल्यों को बचाने के लिए समाजवादी पार्टी इसी तरह यही सड़क का रास्ता अपनाएंगे जब सदन में इन्होंने नहीं जाने दिया।
The UP police on Monday stopped the protest march taken out by the Samajwadi Party, highlighting the issues in Uttar Pradesh before the monsoon session of the state legislature. The protesters were marching towards the UP Vidhan Sabha when the police stopped them, post which the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, legislators and other party workers sat on a dharna in the middle of the road at the Vikramaditya Marg where their march was stopped. The party leader and the members sat on a dharna near the barricading and held a mock assembly session at 11 am. They also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of sitting and former MLAs who passed away recently, similar to how it is done in the Legislative Assembly. The march was aimed at raising important issues in the state which, according to the opposition party, the ruling BJP is not addressing, like law and order, unemployment and farmers' woes. The SP chief alleged that the foot march was stopped because the government was afraid of answering its questions. Akhilesh said that from now on the Samajwadi Party would continue to make the government answerable for various issues in the state, be it on the road or inside the assembly. BJP had promised jobs and employment to the youth. Today the government is unable to mobilize the resources. Unemployment has increased on a large scale. Jobs are being snatched away, said Yadav. Joint Commissioner of Lucknow Police Piyush Mordia said that the party had not taken permission to carry out the march. Still, they were assigned a designated route which would not have caused traffic congestion, Mordia said. They refused to take that. We have no option but to stop them here. If they take the designated route, there will not be a problem. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath took a jibe at the Samajwadi Party and said that the opposition party should have taken permission from the authorities before carrying out the march. Following law and order is too much of an expectation from Samajwadi Party leaders, said Adityanath.
मुझे लगता है समाजवादी पार्टी से ये उम्मीद करना कि वह किसी नियम को माने, किसी शिष्टाचार को माने, ये एक कपोल कल्पना ही कही जा सकती है। इससे ज्यादा तो सदन में भी चर्चा का विषय आएंगे ही उस पर रखेंगे।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.